Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S, then go straight to the Details tab where per process priority lives. Once there, locate the target executable name. This is critical because similar names exist. If options are unavailable, make sure you launch Task Manager as administrator. You do this because elevated privileges allow priority changes to stick. Now that the app is visible and you have admin rights, you're ready to change its scheduling level safely and predictably. You next right-click the process, choose Set Priority, and select a level like Above Normal or High. Above Normal boosts responsiveness without starving system tasks. High gives more CPU but can affect background services. Avoid real-time unless you're troubleshooting a critical real-time task because it can lock out essential system threads. After choosing, confirm the UAC or prompt that appears. Once done, understand this change is session-based and will revert at restart unless you use a persistent method. To make the priority stick, create a task scheduler task or a small startup script that runs with highest privileges and sets the process priority on launch. Once set, test the app under typical load and watch CPU/memory to ensure no system instability. If you see hangs, revert to above normal. If priorities reset unexpectedly, check for antivirus, auto-updaters, or service managers that relaunch the process. These often override manual changes. If problems continue, reboot into safe mode to inspect conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.